morning, everybody. So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about iOS 16.1, specifically the live activities feature. So those that are currently on 16.1 RC finally got this update. So now a lot of third-party applications will be working with the live activities feature. So the more popular one will take obviously a couple days because developers got to update their app, but there are a couple right now. And also for those that are on the official firmware for iOS 16, I believe 16.1 is officially coming out to the public sometime this week, I think Monday. So that should be tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see, and I'll keep you guys updated on when that is officially out. But as of right now, I'm going to show you guys some applications. So if you're into soccer, you can use this app called FotMob right here. And basically to actually get this to work, all you have to do is go into any game that is currently live, and then basically you have to just tap on the start in the upper right hand corner right here. So if this random game on, it's going to say live match added to your lock screen. So for those that have the dynamic island, basically on the 14 Pro and Pro Max, you will have this feature right there showing on the dynamic island, which looks pretty dope. And then if you go to the lock screen, everybody else will have this as well. So this is what it looks like for this application. It won't look the same for every sports app because there is another one if you're not into soccer called Sports Alert. So it's going to remove this, go into Sports Alert. This basically has all sports, MLB, NFL, NBA, NHL. So currently in the NFL tab right here, we'll go to the New York Jet and Denver Broncos game. This one's a little bit different. Instead of tapping on the star, you just have to tap on the three little dots right there and then tap on where it says start live activity. It won't really give you a notification if it's enabled or not, but go back to our lock screen. This is what it looks like for the dynamic island. And then on the lock screen, which I actually like with this app, it actually gives you like basically a full description of play-by-play, as well as like where the ball is currently on the field for each team. So a lot of information to this game just from the lock screen. So hopefully more apps will come out in the future. I'll keep you guys updated, maybe showing you guys like top 10 apps for the live activities feature. And I believe there's going to be other apps, not just sports app. Obviously, sports app is just obviously a lot of people like to keep updated with sports. So it's very useful for anyone, obviously. So hopefully in the future we do get more apps. I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe in the future we'll do like top 10 apps for live activities, and hopefully there are going to be different types of way of using the live activities feature, not just with sports, but we'll have to wait and see. But let me know what you guys think about this feature. Do you guys actually think it's a useful feature? Let me know down below. So drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. And that's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.